Hi, I'm Joe Cervantes, a field service technician with TPC Packaging Solutions from the Illinois branch. In this video series, we are going over some of the basic troubleshooting, maintenance, and daily operational tasks that are necessary to keep your machine running the way it should. Thanks for watching. When your cousin's 2100 wrapper arrives on site, this is what you can expect to see. It is important that the machine be placed on level ground, not a crack or gap between floor slabs. Once the machine is in place, we need to remove the protective wrapping from the control panel and the film carriage, as well as the film holding the film mandrel and the safety plate in place for shipping. Now we can set aside the safety plate and film mandrel nearby so they can be installed later. Once the wrapping is removed, we can inspect the machine for any signs of damage from the shipping process. We want to first check the control panel screen, e-stop, and the corners of the control panel housing. Next, we can check the film carriage, safety door, dancer bar, and chain drive. Lastly, we will check the turntable corners and forklift ports for scuffs and scrapes. Now that we have verified the machine has all the necessary parts and is not damaged, we must ensure it is receiving power. Go ahead and plug in the wrapper. The control panel should light up. If we pull out the e-stop and flip the reset switch, we can see the machine is ready for installation. The first thing I will do is to raise the carriage to a comfortable working height so that we can install the film mandrel and safety plate. This can be accomplished by pressing the carriage raise button on the control panel. Now we are ready to install the film mandrel. Cousin sends their wrappers with a size 4 Allen wrench. We can use this wrench to loosen the 6 bolts on the mandrel and retighten them in place. To install the safety plate, you will need a size 3 Allen wrench, which we can use to loosen both screws from one side of the carriage. The safety plate has a front and back to it. Line up the through holes on the plate with the screws on the bottom of the carriage and tighten the screws we loosened. The plate should move freely up and down. After the plate is mounted, push the button to lower the carriage. If the machine displays this fault, you will need to adjust the safety limit switch located inside the carriage. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the adjustment screw on the safety switch. This allows you to position the switch so that the arm is just touching the safety plate. When it is in the desired position, tighten both screws. This concludes the complete mechanical setup for the Cousins 2100 stretch wrapper. Thanks for watching. For a walkthrough of the recommended settings and their functions, please check out our video on the subject here.